If not for this Western world that brought about this Quran to deceive us, about this Bible to deceive us. Africa, all you need to do is to believe in the Bible. All you need to do is to believe in the Quran. God will do everything for you. While Africa, we are brainwashed to believe in our Bible and our Quran. You understand? That is why we got lost. Other than that, African, we are very proud people. And if you do mistake today, I will burn you to ashes. Please. I swear by my ancestors. If you drop, I'll use you as an example for everybody to see here.
But what have I done?
You'll be pointing your finger at me.
What have I done?
I am a 13 man.
Yes, I understand. But what have I done?
If you point finger at me, I will burn you to ashes. You understand?
Honestly, I am sorry. Please. I am sorry if I pointed my finger at him wrongly. I respectfully disagreed with what the chief said.
Let me be honest.
You threatened me the other day. We had a conversation. And up until now, tend to burn me into ashes.
First of all, let me make a correction about what you just said. It wasn't a threat. It was a direct caution.
It was a direct caution.
Caution of a word of caution. Okay. You understand? You know, in every jurisdiction, in every walk of life, there are do's and don'ts. You understand? So if you are you have maybe you said something that you have expressed.
You said I shouldn't point fingers at you.
And you are still doing the same thing.
No, I am very careful. You don't said I shouldn't point fingers at you. But if you can point at me.
Very well, because I am bigger than you. That's You know, I am a spiritualist. You are
an ordinarist. I'm an ordinarist.
It's good you ask certain questions to know certain things, maybe for your viewers to benefit from
But why is it okay for you to point at me, but it's not okay for me to point at you?
Very well, because of who I am. You understand? You know, in Africa, we value our tradition. Africa, we are traditional-centered people. Africans, we are known to be traditionalists. If not for this Western world that brought about this Quran to deceive us, about this Bible to deceive us. Africa, all you need to do is to believe in the Bible. All you need to do is to believe in the Quran. God will do everything for you. While Israel, where Jesus Christ himself was born, they are creating and manufacturing bombs to defend themselves. The God that created the Israel is still alive. But we Africans, they are creating bombs to defend themselves. Iran and whatever, they are all creating bombs to defend themselves. While Africa, we are brainwashed to believe in our Bible and our Quran. You understand? That is why we got lost. Other than that, African, we are very proud people and very centered.
But if you are an African, and I'm also an African,
very well.
You are saying your African brother cannot point fingers at you.
You
can point finger at your African brother.
Yes, Mr. Let me.
And here you are denying that you even threatened me live on camera.
No, I'm not. Let me be honest. In English language, every word has two meanings. The contextual meaning and the actual meaning of the word.
The contextual meaning and the actual meaning of the word.
You understand? In this our episode, last time when you interviewed me, you were pointing finger at me on the right side, and I said, look, you have to be very careful because I was possessed, and I'm still possessed.
You are still possessed.
You understand?
At this minute.
I am a normal human being just like you are, but the things that are in me that made me very we in Africa we see our traditionalists as our superiors. Are you getting what I'm saying?
I'm following.
Because if you know where you are coming from, you know where you are going to. You understand? Basically, even in my locality, you cannot wear sandals and pass by the chief palace. You understand? You cannot also chew a stick in front of an elder. You understand what I'm saying? It signifies that you don't know the tradition.
You don't know the tradition. So me pointing at you, I don't know the tradition.
Yes,
I didn't know the tradition.
You didn't know, and I kept telling you, the first one, if you go back to the video, I said, you shouldn't point your finger at me again. You understand?
And if
you keep on doing that, I was going to burn you to ashes.
I meant every single word. And you would have burnt me to ashes.
I meant every single word I said.
And you would have burnt me to ashes.
It would have, even if this interview as we are going to right now, if you are not careful and you are pointing your finger at me, the ghost in me will punish you severely.
Will punish me severely.
Very well. You understand?
With the same burning.
It might even burn you to ashes this time around. You understand? Let me be honest with you. is someone on your show, everybody respects him so much.
Right.
Because of the legacy, because of the history behind where I am coming from. If you come to Ghana, my tribe is the least tribe. You understand? But 50% of the land of Ghana to us. That should tell you that we have a rich and rich culture.
This was never about money for us. It was about us against the system. That system that kills the human spirit. We stand for something. To those dead souls inching along the freeways in their metal coffins, we show them that the human spirit is still alive.